at this box. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today's video is going to be another CDG play unboxing. Some time ago I uploaded a unboxing for the pink Comme des Garçons high top Converses, and this is the black low top red Converse. These came out a couple of months ago, but they came back in stock. I missed the first drop. I was devastated, but in the last year, I have kind of a little bit of a Converse collection. I absolutely love Converse. The CDG play, although they are a high-end type of shoe, they only retail for $150, so they're super affordable and accessible to a lot of other people. And I have other pairs of Converse that I do want to share with you guys, but this video is primarily about my new CDG plays, but I will be showing all of them, and all of them will be linked down below in the description. And if you choose to purchase any of the shoes, a small commission, so if you like them, make sure you check out the link down below. But that is all for now. Let's get into this unboxing. So my last pair I got from Farfetch. These are also available on Farfetch, but I did get these from Saks. Particular reason, honestly, but I did get them from Saks this time. They have them on Saks and they have them on Farfetch. But look at this box. So cute. A little bit smaller because they are low tops this time instead of the high tops. Still the same cute CDG packaging. I love the red heart. So here is how they are packaged in the box. You can see the little heart and the red and the cream. So I got these in a size 5 because these are in men's. My other CDGs are a 5.5, which would translate to a 7.5 in women's, but Converse run big, okay? So I decided to get these in a 5, and honestly, I did try them on already. I just sneaked them out the box and tried them on. I slipped my foot in and they fit perfectly. Still a little bit big. Like, these shoes are just huge, honestly. But this is the shoe. Both of them. So cute. Very different from what I would normally go to. I was saying I don't have a lot of red, so I wanted to purchase these. Also, it's still well, Leo season literally just ended like a day or two ago, but I like to get red for Leo season for my birthday because my birthstone is ruby, so I still kind of have that going on. Also, I just purchased a new Coach Pillow tabby, which I just unboxed. It's a size 26 and it is the color red apple, and I have a really cute outfit, so make sure you check out this video as well. But I do want to incorporate more red into my outfit. I just feel good fortune when I'm wearing my birthstone, and yeah, so definitely love red. Red has always been one of my favorite colors. I like the contrast of red and black and white all together. It's also my high school colors, and that just clicked in my head. But yes, love it. Look at the back. The back is in red, the gummy red right there, so you can't really see it, but it does say Converse All Stars. And yeah, I'm really interested to see how these wear with the red, if it's gonna scratch and still be red, or if it will turn into another color once I wear them. But they smell so good. New Converses have a really distinct scent to them, so yeah, I'm enjoying that. But they're so cute, so cute. So I'm going to show them on my feet, me trying them on. But here they are. Low top, a little bit different because my other Converse are all high top. I also don't have a lot of black shoes, which can be super annoying and frustrating when you're getting dressed and you're like, oh, these shoes would be perfect, this outfit would be perfect with a black shoe, and you don't have any. I recently got a pair of black slides, so that's kind of been helping, but this is going to be it. I can already see it. So here they are. The size 5 is so snug. I'm so looking forward to my feet not sliding around in these shoes. They fit amazing. I'm sitting down right now, but yes, they fit so good. Look at the top view of them. Adorable. The insole, the instep. These shoes are absolutely flawless. Like sometimes with the bottom of shoes, like there's some imperfections, but nah. Also, here is the scab that I was telling you guys about from the rubbing. So if you plan to wear the high tops, I don't suggest wearing them and you know you're going to be doing a lot of walking, or if you have a hack to prevent this, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm begging you because I would love to wear my high tops way more. My other high tops don't do this for some reason, but those do. So yes, please let me know. I finally got some low ankle socks from Target. They came in an 8-pack. There's a black pair and another gray pair, which I needed desperately because I have so many low shoes. But overall, look at the beauty of these shoes. They're literally adorable, and I can't wait to just wear these all the time. I'm gonna get so much wear out of these. Low top, a little bit different because my other Converse are all high tops, but let me show you the high top. So here are the pink ones. I can honestly say that I've probably worn them maybe like 5 or 6 times. I remember every single time that I've worn them, and these are the only ones that like rub on my ankles. Like I have a red mark when I show you guys me trying them on. I developed a scab because I wore them 2 days in a row. They rubbed on my feet. I even wore high socks, so that was like another reason why I decided to get the low tops instead of the high tops. I don't know if it's maybe how I laced them or what, but they definitely rub on my feet, and they scuff a lot. But I also walk like a toddler, so there's that. But I do still love the color. It goes with a lot of the things that I have because I have a lot of pink, and the bottom of the shoe is cream. It's the same texture as the low tops. Obviously you can see them side by side. Also on the instep of the shoe, they do not have the Converse All-Star logo, but they do have the same like 2 dots. So yeah, very similar but like different. Like you get a different vibe from these. Like these are more like maybe night out, and these are more like daytime. Well, not night out, maybe like more nighttime, more serious vibes. And this is definitely very daytime, very fun. I've never worn these out at night. Usually like on a day where I know that I'm gonna be outside, like doing some outside stuff all day. So there is that. Also, the difference in the boxes is the top comes all the way off. The other box kind of just flips back, which honestly I like that better. I'm a shoebox person. I don't like getting rid of my shoe boxes, but when they flip back, like you don't accidentally take the top of the box off, put it somewhere, and then like step on it later. It's very inconvenient. So next is another pair of Converse. These are just regular Converse All-Stars, but these are platform. These are low-key the start to my new little Converse collection. These are a nude color. They are platform, and these are women's shoes. So they came in a 7.5 and women's. And the Converse All-Star is just clear and it's black, and then the back is this like purple burgundy. These are really easy to walk in, but still I should have gotten a size 7. These are like more of the traditional Converse Converse All-Star like material. They don't have this shiny gummy material on the bottom. I don't wear these as much as I used to when I first got them, only because of where I had them stored, but I do have more storage, like, so I do plan to wear these more, and it's go with a lot of stuff. I love neutrals, and I love platform shoes. I'm not very tall. Well, in my eyes, I just wish I could be like a little bit taller, and platforms help me achieve that look. So I just love platforms. Any shoe that's a platform, I am rocking with it. But yeah, I love the colors. The burgundy or this purple, whatever color this is supposed to be, honestly, I didn't notice it when I bought the shoe, but when I got it, I still never minded it. When I had talked about the wear of the back of the shoe, it was because the back of these shoes, the All-Star has rubbed off. But again, I walk like a toddler, so yeah. But you can tell I have worn these shoes quite a bit. I absolutely love them. They're so cute and so refreshing. And honestly, the newer Converse that are coming out are very distinct. Converse actually has always had a very diverse catalog. I know that you can do customizations. My sister has had like she had like a pair of unicorn Converse before. She had a pair of Dr. Seuss Converse before. Like I love that, and I love that for adults. Like they have like stuff that's just like really out there, really different. So definitely a fan, and they have like a wide variety, so you're not just getting that regular Chuck Taylor back in the day all white look. Because I remember when I was younger, there was like the white, the black, and the pink. I had all three, but still very one-dimensional. Now next is the Run Hike Converse. These are like super platform. They're white. Of course, I have been wearing these non-stop. I got these like the end of February, and I just make these go with everything because I just love the platform. Here's a side by side of the platform. Yeah, these are big body. But yeah, so the bottom has the black, and then the gum, and then the like a little off-white moment right here, and then on the instep is the white Chuck Taylor right here. So these are like a huge spin on the original Chuck Taylors. These are huge. Like everyone says that they're huge when they see them, but they give me like a good height, I feel like. And I just love the way that they look, and because they're white, they just go with literally everything, and they're very easy to walk in. Kind of like rock back and forth a little bit. So, but they are easy to walk in. Like I literally glide in these shoes, and I don't trip as much. With platforms, you tend to like kind of trip over air or like tip over, but I don't get that from these. These are very secure, so definitely a favorite. But overall, I'm super excited for these because they are low top, so they're different from the usual in my collection. I see myself wearing these a lot because they are black, so they will go with everything, although obviously my white and my tan go with everything. But these fit super snug. They'll be super easy to style. I can wear them with something black, a black bag, white bag, my new red bag, whatever. But I'm very excited for these. I've wanted these for months now. I'm so upset that I missed the first drop, but I am happy that I ended up able to get these. Also, when you're shopping, make sure you check out like a bunch of different sites. Just keep on looking because you will find the shoes eventually. I am not pro reseller, so I would never get these from a reseller, although I saw a few resale options. Like I just feel like that's not necessary. CDG Play comes in and out of stock all the time now. Years ago they did not, but thank goodness times have changed. They've seen how much people love them. But these are definitely a classic, and these are going to be a staple, especially in my fall wardrobe. I feel like if I had them towards the beginning of the summer, they also would have been a staple. But here they are. So cute. A little bit different from the normal because they're not platform, but I still see these getting a lot of wear, and they will be uploaded on my LTK with a link as well as down below. I will link my LTK because I am going to start posting on there more. Same name on there, Nia G. So look me up. That LTK stands for like to know. That is a good way to search for your favorite content creators, like their everyday favorites and outfits, and just little things that are like trending or like things that you might not have seen a lot lately. But yes, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content, more hauls, unboxings. Also search through my channel so you can see the things that I do have already uploaded. That is all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.